Bats are fascinating creatures that have captured the curiosity and imagination of humans for centuries. These unique mammals belong to the order Chiroptera, and are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. With over 1,400 species found across the globe, bats come in various shapes and sizes, ranging from the tiny bumblebee bat to the impressive flying fox. Despite their portrayal in popular culture as spooky or mysterious, bats play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They serve as pollinators, seed dispersers, and natural pest controllers, making them invaluable to our environment. Additionally, bats have long been subjects of scientific study, offering valuable insights into areas such as echolocation, embryology, and disease transmission. The ability to fly sets bats apart from all other mammals, making them unique creatures in the animal kingdom. They achieve flight through the use of elongated finger bones covered by a thin and flexible membrane of skin, creating wings. From the dark caves to dense forests, bats have managed to adapt and thrive in various environments across the globe. They can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Most species of bats are active at night, using echolocation to navigate and locate their prey. Their ability to emit high-pitched sounds and interpret the echoes allows them to fly and hunt in complete darkness. Despite their small size, bats have relatively long lifespans compared to other mammals of similar size. Some species of bats can live for 3 decades or more. By consuming fruits and excreting the seeds elsewhere, fruit bats help spread plant species and encourage the growth of forests and vegetation. Bats have a remarkable ability to tolerate and resist many viruses, including ones that are lethal to humans. This unique immune system has interested scientists in understanding better ways to combat human diseases. Contrary to popular belief, most bats do not feed on blood. However, vampire bats, found primarily in Central and South America, have specialized adaptations to enable them to pierce the skin of animals and lap up their blood. A single bat can consume thousands of insects, including mosquitoes and crop-damaging pests, in a single night. This helps regulate insect populations and benefits agriculture. With their highly sensitive ears and echolocation abilities, bats can detect tiny insect sounds and navigate accurately in complete darkness. The spectacle of large bats with wingspans stretching over 5 feet can be awe-inspiring. These bats use their impressive wings to glide through the air with great agility. Despite the myth, bats are not blind. They have well-developed eyesight, although they rely more on echolocation for navigation and hunting. Contrary to their portrayal in horror movies, bats are generally harmless and avoid human contact whenever possible. They play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Just like birds, certain species of bats undertake long and impressive migrations, traveling hundreds of miles in search of food and suitable habitats. To conserve energy and survive cold temperatures when food is scarce, many bat species go into a state of hibernation during the winter months. While some species of bats primarily feed on fruit, others consume insects, nectar, or even fish. Their diet varies depending on their habitat and available food sources. In ancient Egypt, the Egyptian fruit bat, also known as the flying fox, was associated with rebirth and the protection of the sun god, Ra. Many species of bats exhibit complex social behaviors, living in colonies and establishing hierarchies. They communicate with each other through various vocalizations and scent marking. Contrary to what their name suggests, vampire bats don't actually suck blood, but they do use their razor-sharp teeth to make small incisions in the skin of sleeping animals, then consume the blood as it runs from the wound. They only require about 2 tablespoons of blood per day, so the victim's loss is negligible and seldom causes harm. Bats evolved to hang upside down for long periods of time. The bat ancestor is believed to have developed claws for hanging to wait for insects to come up the tree. This unique hanging position also conserves energy. As opposed to defying gravity and standing upright, no energy has to be expended while hanging due to the lightweight structure of their leg muscles and bones, developed for flight.